Hi students, so in this video I want to show you how to use these slides. The slides titled Distance Learning is what you will be using every day until for the whole week. So all your work for the whole week are in the slides, and I want to show you some tips that I hope you will find helpful to help you be very successful and do an awesome great job on your slides on your assignment. So to begin, I want to show you that these slides have the slides for your Monday's worth of work, your Tuesday's work, your work for Wednesday, your work for Thursday and Friday, and each color represents a different day. So Monday's work is represented in yellow, Tuesday is in teal, Wednesday is in red, Thursday is in purple, and Friday is in green. So that way in case you forget, once you see a different color, that means you need to stop because you already did all your work from that one day. So to begin, I want to show you Monday's work. And after showing you Monday's work, it's going to be very similar for Tuesday through Friday's workload. So make sure you follow along and pay attention to this whole video. So the next slide that I'm going on to is your checklist for the day. So this is the checklist that you need to complete for Monday. So you're going to have UHU, writing, math, language, arts, and if you scroll down, it's going to be science as well. So don't forget to scroll down. When you're done with each activity, you could use a star and drag it to the checkbox to show that you're done. If you want to put the star back, there's these arrows right here that says undo. Click on that and the star will go back. I definitely recommend you doing that because sometimes when we try to put things back without using the undo button, let's see if I try to move this. Let's see. I just moved all of the words. So instead of moving all the words, I just made a mistake. I'm going to click the undo button and it puts everything back for me. So after reading the checklist, you're going to the next slide. It says morning check-in, UHU. Click here to go to UHU. You're going to click on the words that are in blue, and then you're going to click on the link that's also in blue, and it's going to take you to Clever. From Clever, you're going to go on the app called UHU. From here, you're going to select your name and input your code. If you forgot your code, go back to the slides. The slides are in this little yellow image right here represents Google Slides. So you're going to go back to Google Slides. It says forgot your code. You're going to click on the blue words and click on the link, and it's going to take you here, and then you're going to look for your name. Once you find your name, you're going to write down your code on a piece of paper. Go back to this purple image, that's UHU, and enter your code. And you're going to hit submit. When you're done, go back to the yellow slides, scroll all the way up to the yellow, because remember yellow represents Monday. We just finished this. Go to the next slide when you're done. So next slide's writing. This is your prompt for the day. It says write a letter to a grandparent or another family member. So you're going to go to the next slide to write your response. So to write your letter, you're going to click where it says click here. Click on that. Go on the at the very end of the word and erase that and write the name of the person you want to write to. So I'm going to put Dear Grandpa, comma. I'm going to write my letter here. So I'm going to erase this and write my letter here. When I'm done, I'm going to click here and I'm going to type my name. Sincerely, Miss Rodarte. When I am done writing my letter, I'm going to go over here. Here's my checklist. This shows you what I am looking for when I read your writing, and I'm going to read everyone's writing for each day. So I'm going to make sure that you have at least 5 sentences. I want to make sure you start each sentence with a capital letter. I want to make sure you ended each sentence with a period, exclamation point. And I want you to make sure you reread your writing. So if you did each one of these things before moving on to the next task, drag your check mark. I want you to drag, oopsie, you see how Miss R just made a little mistake? Press undo. click on the check mark and drag it to the top and check mark each box when you are done. This shows me that you took the time to make sure you did each one of these things. When you are done, go to the next slide. This is brain break number 1. So the directions are: choose one of the following, drag a check mark to the square when you are done. So I'm going to look at these options and I'm going to say, I think I want to stand up and stretch. So I'm going to drag a check mark, put it in there. When I'm done stretching, go on to the next slide. This is my math slides now that I need you to complete. On the next slide, it shows you some tutorials. I know my face looks a little funny, but I created 2 videos on how to solve these math 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem in case you forgot and need a refresher. This video also on the right shows you how to enter your answers on the slide. So maybe you already know how to solve a 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem. Still watch at least this video because it shows you how to enter your answers on the slide. So these are your math problems for Monday. There's a star right here. To know what this star means, I need you to watch this video. So you have math problems that I need you to complete. When you're done with math, here is a brain break number 2. We already did stand up and stretch, so pick another activity. Maybe you want to do 30 jumping jacks. After you're done with your 30 jumping jacks, do the next slide, which is reading. Reading, the directions are here. It says go on Epic or grab a book from home and find a quiet spot to read. To go on Epic, you're going to click here. It's going to lead you to Clever, and you're going to click on the Epic app. Then you're going to choose a book to read for 15 minutes under our April collection. Our April collection is going to be under Collection and Assignments, and it should say April. Select a book from this collection, please. And then when you're done, you can select one of 2 activities. You can write a 5-sentence summary, or you can go on Padlet and record a summary. So let's say I want to do option 1. You don't have to do both. I want you to do one. So let's say I want to do option 1. I'm going to write a 5-sentence summary. I'm going to click here where it says next slide. I'm going to write a summary of the book right here. So I'm going to erase this, write my summary. When I'm done writing my summary, I'm going to look at the checklist, make sure I followed each checklist. If I did, drag my check marks there. And then right here it says, how many stars do you give this book? So let's say, let me put this one back. Let's say this book was not good. I'm just going to say 1 star. It was not good. Or if it was really awesome and I recommend it, I'm going to put all the stars here. So that's option 1 if you choose a summary. And then after that, right here we have a, you have to fix a sentence. So this is a sentence that you need to fix and you need to see what is wrong with it. I'm looking at this like, does it have a capital? Does it have a period? Oh no, it doesn't have a capital, so I'm going to go to the letter M, make that a capital. And let's say I think I'm done, but maybe I need a clue. I'm going to drag the star down. And the clue says there are a total of 5 mistakes. Okay, there's a total of 5 mistakes. I only have 1. So let me put the star back. Let's say if I think I did my best, I'm like, oh, maybe it also needs a period. If I think that's all I could find, I'm going to drag my answer up, the star up, to reveal the answer. And here is the answer. Again, to put the star back where it was, I'm going to click on undo on the arrow right here. So let's say if I want to see the answer one more time, I could also do redo, and it puts the star back where it was previously. So when I'm done with that slide, I'm going to go on to grammar. Here, your lessons on conjunctions and verbs. Conjunctions and verbs. When I'm done studying, or when you're done studying, click complete the assignment Monday language review. So to complete this assignment, click on the blue letters, click on the link. It's going to lead you to our Google Classroom. From here, it says complete the assignment. Let's say I forgot already what assignment I want us to complete. So if I forgot what assignment I want you to complete, you're going to complete the assignment that says Monday language review. So for Monday language review, you're going to click on the link that says Monday language review. click on it, it's going to open up. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. Click right here where it says Google Forms. Write your name, your first and last name, answer these questions. Let's say if you forgot what a verb is, go back to the slide, the yellow one, and reread what a verb is to answer these questions. When you're done answering each question, select or press the button that says submit. When you're done submitting it, go back to the yellow button that says for Google Slides and then go on to the next slide. This one says complete the assignment Monday reading comprehension. So again, I'm clicking the blue words, clicking on the link, and I'm going to complete the activity saying reading comprehension. I'm going to click on reading comprehension. I'm going to scroll down, click where it says Google Forms Monday. And I'm going to complete these questions. Once you're done answering these questions, click on submit. When you're done submitting it, go back to the yellow button that has the slide information and complete the next activity. Okay, here's our final brain break. So we did our third one. We did stand up or stretch. Now we did 30 jumping jacks. Now I want to do grab a snack. So I'm going to grab a snack, and then when I come back, I'm going to do science now. So for science, it says watch this video on Mystery Science. So you're going to click on the link. It's going to take you to Mystery Science. You're going to watch this video. When you're done, go back to the yellow button. And it says, step 2 says, after watching the video, answer the following questions on the assignment titled Monday Mystery Science. So you're going to click on, I did that a little bit fast, click on the blue, click on the link that pops up. And then it's going to lead you to the our classroom, Google Classroom. If you forgot what assignment I want you to click, go back to the yellow button. It says click on the assignment titled Monday Mystery Science. So I'm looking for Monday Mystery Science. Click on that. Again, it's going to open up. Click on the Google Forms, answer those questions, and then go back to the yellow button. Once you go back to the yellow button, go to the next activity. This is your final brain break. We did jumping jacks, we did the stand up and stretch, we grabbed a snack. Now do a chore around the house. Maybe it's cleaning up your room, picking up some trash around your house, maybe washing dishes. When you're done, come back. This says notes from you and notes to you. So right here, you're going to write any notes for Miss R and say, Miss R, this was easy. Or you're going to say, Miss R, this was hard. I need help with math. Or I need help with reading comprehension. And I will leave you a note right here. So this is for me to complete. This is, these are notes for you to complete and leave me. Let me know, always leave a comment. Let me know if it was easy. Let me know if it was hard. If it was hard, tell me what you need help with. And be very specific so I know how to help you. When you're done, you're going to go to the next slide. It says finished, mission accomplished. Great job. Make sure you come back tomorrow for Tuesday's task. If you have energy for more, you can do any one of these activities. If you're done for the day, then you can, you're going to just click on exit, come back to the slides, back to Google Classroom, go to Google, the slides, and it's going to pop up and do Tuesday's activity. If you do want to do more work, you can do 15 minutes of iReady, 15 minutes of Imagine Math. Click here if you want to do a multiplication chart. Click here if you want to do an activity for a workout for 25 minutes. Or click here if you want to do an activity from the April calendar, which is really cool because it shows you different things, a kindness calendar. So it shows you different things you can do around your house that will share kindness with other people. So today, whatever day you're looking at it, you can complete something from the kindness calendar. You can, when you're done looking at it, you can go back to Monday's slides by clicking here. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?